One there, yeah. All right. How's that looking? Oh, cool. All right. Haven't tried it yet. Oh my gosh, she's here. Amazing. Everyone. Yeah, I think you can, Everyone, please welcome to the stage Sasha, our skater. All right, I'm going to go ahead and introduce the band. We got Sasha on the skates here. We got Steve Sticks on the melodica and the sax. We got Kate Short on the accordion. Our very own Kevin Doan on the drums. Also on the drums we got Sunny Sundowner. Percussion, pardon me, hand percussion. Thanks AJ, just set them up right there. We'll water them. We got Jimmy, an original Stagefright member right here on the bass. Woo! We got Kevin Doan on the drums. We got John Hanford on the guitar. I have Lauren on that part.
All the way
He's here, Lauren. You look different. Like, you look kind of different than you did last time you were. What happened?
I'm getting that a lot.
Really?
Yeah, I guess it's the second dose. Pfizer, baby.
Wow. I got Moderna. Maybe that's why I don't look like that. Well, you look.
Go get it.
You can get the Pfizer on top of the Moderna?
No, get the second dose.
I got my second dose. I don't look like this though.
Living La Vida Loca, back to the Palm Springs party.
Wow. Well, what are you gonna do now that you have your life back?
Just gonna keep going to these parties, you know? I'm gonna start executing the work of God.
The work of God. We all know what that is. Okay. That's the whole band. Wonderful. Well, I guess we should do a song. Maybe we'll do like a love song or something. All right. I have a new habit over quarantine. It's an omnichord habit. It's a really beautiful instrument. You can't play it wrong. I guess I could play it loud. All right. You would love me when you're drinking. Darling, I can't understand why you only wanna hold me when there's a bottle in your hand. Now you know I love our late nights. Good times we've had aplenty, but just once I wish you'd kiss me when you haven't had too many. Your hands get closer and quicker after some liquor, but that don't mean you're gonna miss me. I know that you'll drift away in the light of the day unless you start drinking more whiskey. You won't love me when you're drinking. It's not right, but after all, I only love you when I'm smoking. I'm just smoking all day long. I've got a rule, one up. I've had enough, too much going on in my head. Oh, darling, we both have vices. You only love me when you're drinking.